WWE 2K24's online multiplayer mode. Here's how to potentially fix it and decide whether to continue. Fixing the issue. 1. Check your connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router or modem if needed. 2. Verify game integrity. On some platforms, you can verify the game files to ensure they're not corrupted. This process usually involves checking the game's properties in your launcher. 3. Update the game. Ensure you have the latest update for WWE 2K24 installed. Updates often include bug fixes and network improvements. 4. Server issues. Check online forums or the developer's website for any known server issues. If it's a widespread problem, you might have to wait for a server fix. Should you continue playing? If the fix resolved your connection issue, you can try finding a new online match with hopefully stable connections. If the issue persists, it might be due to server problems or a bug in the game. You can continue versus I. If you want to practice or test strategies, this might be a viable option for now. Leave the match. If you're looking for a competitive online experience, it's best to leave and try again later when the online functionality is working smoothly. Additional tips. Search online forums or communities dedicated to WWE 2K24. Other players might have encountered similar issues and found workarounds. Report the problem to the game developer. This helps them identify and address the issue in future updates. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for smooth online gameplay. By troubleshooting your connection and keeping the game updated, you can hopefully avoid encountering this issue again.